Welcome back. Today I will discuss about Venn diagram in set. Venn diagram sets can be represented pictorially. This means diagram. Any set can be represented by diagram which are known as Venn diagram. It is invented by British mathematician John Venn. These diagram consist of a rectangle. It is called universal set, and closed curve, usually circle. The universal set is represented usually a rectangle and its subset by circle. Venn diagram sets can be represented by means of diagram which are known as Venn diagram. These diagram consist of rectangle and closed curve, usually circle. The universal set is represented usually a rectangle and its subset by circle. Closed curve denoted in circle. So now represent in figure universal set represented by rectangle. So now rectangle upper one corner right U for denoted universal set, and subset of circle, this is circle. Now let a circle set of A. This is diagram. This diagram is called Venn diagram. Rectangle represented universal and closed curve represent in circle, subset of universal set. Operation of sets. First, union of set. The union of two sets A and B is set which are consist of all those elements which are either A or B, in B. All element of set A and all element of B, but common elements taken only once. It is denoted by capital U. So symbol of union, so U. Symbol of union U. In symbol we write A union. This means we read union A union B X such that X belong to A or X belong to B. Example, let A is set element have 1, 2, 3, 4, and another set B have element 3, 4, 5, 6. So these elements have set A and these elements have set B. So we write A union B. A union B is equal to all element of set A. All element of set A 1, 2, 3, 4. And either R element A or element B, but common element taken only once. So 3, 4 common element, write only one. So rest 5, 6. This is element. These elements are A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3, 4 and 3, 4. These are common, taken only once. So 1, 3, 4 and rest 5, 6 also write down. So this is A union B. Some properties of union. First, A union B is equal to B union A. These are same. This is commutative law follow. First property, and second property, associative law follows union. A in bracket A union B union C is equal to A union in bracket B union C, also follow associative law. And A union phi, phi means empty. So all element of set A and set B. So there is no element in phi, only one element present in set A is equal to set of A. A union phi is equal to A. Law of identity element phi. And fourth, A union A. All element set of A and all element set of A, only once taken. This is A. So universal union A set A is equal to universal law of universal. So universal whole set of element, and this is element under set A. So universal union A is equal to universal law of universal. Second part, operation of set. Second part, intersection of set. The intersection of two set A and B is the set of all those elements which belong to both A and B. It is denoted by intersection. Opposite of, you can write U. Symbolically, we write only once taken common element of set A and set B. So symbolically, we write A intersection. You can write symbol of intersection opposite of U. A intersection B, you read A intersection B is equal to X such that X belong to A. X means A element belong to A and X belong to B. X present is A set and set B. And also example, so let set A example, let's set A element have 2, 3, 4, 5 and another set B element have 4, 5, 7, 8. So A intersection B is equal to common, only one taken common element, both 4, 5 and 4, 5 common element. So you can write A intersection B element have 4, 5 common, only one taken common element 4 and 5 both. So this is A intersection B. And Venn diagram you can represent. So we now make universal set. So taken symbol U, and there are two set A and B common. So common element, so intersection A intersection B, A and B. This is common element of in this, and so this is represent in diagram, Venn diagram, intersection of set, and also this represent in this. So you can again represent Venn diagram. So this example you can show Venn. So U universal set and two set are intersect A and B. Common element 4, 5 you can write common, those common 4, 5, and A have taken rest element 2, 3 and B rest 7, 8. This is Venn diagram of A intersection B. Some properties of operation of intersection. First property, A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. This is commutative law follows. Another intersection follows associative law. So A intersection B in bracket intersection C. So taken as A intersection in bracket A intersection B intersection C. And third, phi intersection A, phi intersection A, phi empty set intersection A. So this is common element of two set, only once taken. So phi, there is no element in this set, this is phi. And universal intersection A means A exists in universal set, so this is A common, so A, law of phi and universal. Fourth, A intersection A, overall all element in set A, all element of set B, these are common elements, so this is set A. In A idempotent law. And fifth, A intersection B union C, A intersection, this is very important, so this is A intersection B union C. So you can write, so A intersection B, A intersection B, you can write also an union taken out. So A intersection C. This is distributive law. This is distributive law. A intersection, this is taken as B with, and this is taken as C. A intersection B union another bracket A intersection C. A intersection B union A intersection C. This is distributive law follows. Difference of set. Difference of two set. The difference of two set A and B in this order is the set of element which belong to A but not belong to B, taken as only one element A but not belong in B. You can write in symbol, so A minus B. A minus B, you read A minus B. So A minus B. Let us consider a set. A set have A, B, C, and another set B is equal to C, D, E. So A minus B is equal to those element of set A not present in set B. This is A minus B. So A B not in present in set B. So you can write A B because A B element not present in set B. So this is A minus B. A B element of set difference of two set A minus B. And fourth, disjoint set. Let A and B are disjoint set if there are no common element which are A and B. There is no common element A and B. This is called disjoint set. Disjoint set. Let, for example, let A be element A, B, C, or another set B is equal to D, E, F. So A and B are disjoint set because there are no common element of A set and B set, and usually denoted we can denote, represent, or we can show diagram. So now universal set U and two set subset of universal A and B. So A set element A, B and C, A, B, C, and another element, there is no common element, so separated by another set B. So this is B set, element have A, D, E and F. This is called disjoint set, and you can show diagram. Difference of two set represent in symbolically, we write A minus B x such that x belong to A, x does not belong to in B, and another B minus A is equal to x such that x belong to B and x does not belong to A. Then A minus B not equal to B minus A. So now with explain example, method. So let A set 1, 2, 3 and 4 and B another set, so 3, 4, 5 and 6. So A minus B, this means those element of set A does not belong to in set B. So 1, 2 not belong to in this set. So this is 1, 2. And another B minus A means those element of set A does not belong to in set B. So 5, 6. 3, 4 present in this and 5, 6 does not belong to in set A. So 5, 6. So with the help of this example, so you can show A minus B not equal to B minus A. B minus A. And also represent in Venn diagram. So this you can show a first, so universal set and 3, 4 common, so intersection, so this and another set this A and B. So 3, 4 and 3, 4 common out, so 3, 4 write in common and rest A 1 and 2 and rest B set 5 and 6. So A minus B, so this is shaded portion, so this is shaded portion A minus B 1, 2, this is shaded portion, this is called A minus B. And another set, so represent U and B set an intersection A, B, A. So common are same 3, 4, 3, 4 and 5, 6. In this 5, 6 and 1, 2. This is common shaded. This is common shaded portion is called B minus A. B minus A.